Hello everyone, I have another package here. It is right from the UK and I can't remember at this time the name of the store. That was my first purchase from the store, but I'm gonna put it up here somewhere or leave it under the video or somewhere. So they are selling cameras or lenses for DSLR cameras and this kind of things, and this is gonna be a lens. Probably it is one of the least interesting lens, or maybe people would think this is the least interesting lens because it is just a simple lens what usually comes with a camera, and I had the exact same lens, and as you can see it's packaged well. So my original lens, the same lens, stopped working. It cannot focus anymore. So I ordered another one, and here it is. So it's a Nikon 18 to 55 millimeter. So it's probably not the most interesting lens, but I really love it. Because this is the lens what I use for microphotography, what is one of my main interests in photography, and also I captured the Milky Way with it a couple of times. So let me just try if it works. So this is the old lens, same thing. And it's my macro setup, so with a 36 millimeter extension tube, and this is what I usually use. Actually, I can feel that it's a new thing because I did not have any problem with it, but sorry, I cannot. But it's much smoother, much easier to change the zoom or the focal length. Let me add my little flash and this other thing. I don't know what it's called, but this is what I'm usually use for macro photography. Let me just try this lens with this setup. I'm not sure. Okay, it's not my macro setup, it's f16 with 250 shutter speed and with 100 of ISO, and let's see what it can do. Yes, it's focusing. And probably so it surely wasn't good because the white table and with these settings the flash was, I'm sure it was too much. So here is the image, and I'm gonna leave a couple sample pictures what I took with the same lens last year, with this one what is not focusing anymore, nor with the manual focus, nor with the autofocus. So something is wrong with it, and actually this lens was about $100, so I found it that probably it's not worth to send it for a repair, but I just got a new one, and it seems it's focusing nicely. So yeah, and this was the first attempt, but I just realized that it is gonna be overexposed, and it was overexposed. But this one is okay. Like you can see the dust on it, so I guess you can guess that I'm not the best in cleaning. Thanks for watching this video. God bless. you.